Okay, so here is the first worked example we have on mean. Let's see what it says. The marks obtained by 25 grade 4 red pupils in this year's mathematics exam that was out of 40 are listed below. Anyway, we're talking about marks gotten by some students. Okay, we don't have to really read this, okay? Right, we don't have to really read it. Calculate the mean marks obtained by each student. So the moment they say mean, we know they're talking about X bar. So what do? We go to our MF19, right? So let's go to MF19 here. And we go to the page, we go to our probability and statistics page, and we know that the mean would be right here on this first thing. This first thing is going to be our mean. Okay, this X bar. Okay, and we have type 1 and type 2. We know that. They will not call it mean, but we know it's the mean because it's X bar. Now we have type 1 and type 2. So type 1, we know we use it when we have a frequency distribution, right? Frequency distribution. And type 2, we know we use it when we have no frequency distribution. And type 2, we use it when there is a frequency distribution, when we have that table. So for our example, we know that we did not have. So this one is out. We are dealing with one where there is no, we don't use this word ungroup data. We look for frequency distribution. There was no frequency distribution, so we are using this one. X bar is summation of X over N. So we just go back and we are just going to write, sorry, my bad. We are just going to come here. Then we are going to write that X bar is the mean. It is the summation of X over N. We pick the one where there is no distribution because the things that are laid out here, yes, they are ungrouped, it's true, but there's more to that. They're ungrouped and also there is no frequency distribution. So because of that, this is the formula we use. Great. Now, what is it going to be? Summation of X, we just add all the values. You can put in your calculator. 32 plus 34 plus 39 plus 39 plus 17. When you'll be adding, you'll be canceling once you. So I say 32, then I cancel plus 34, you cancel. Plus 39, I cancel the 39. Plus 39, I cancel the 39. Plus 17, I cancel it. Plus 22, cancel it. Plus 8, cancel. Plus 15, cancel. Plus 30, plus 26, plus 25, plus 22, cancel. Plus 19, cancel. Plus 7, cancel. Plus 1, cancel. Plus 36, cancel. Plus 40, cancel it. Plus 5, cancel. Plus 7, cancel. Plus 7, cancel it. Plus 32, cancel. Plus 22, cancel. Plus 20, cancel it. Plus 16, cancel. Plus 35, and I cancel. Then I can now say find my total, which is, yes, and the mean, we got it as 556. Then, of course, we divide by the total number of things. Now, total number of things you can count, or you can look here where they say 25 grade 4. So there are 25 of them. So we can just say 556 divided by 25, which would help us now to get our final solution. And our final solution for mean would be 22.24. Now, this would be the mean. You say, what? How can we get the mean being that when our marks were whole numbers? Yes, you can get the mean being a value with a comma and yet your data was whole numbers. Yes, you could do that. It can happen like in this case. So this will be our mean marks and we are done. You have calculated and you get all your marks. Okay. Now we can go ahead and see the other examples. Bye for now.